Archaeologists have discovered a huge ancient city hidden underground in Mexico, which may give a better understanding of the Maya civilization.
Deep in the dense jungles of Guatemala, archaeologists made a discovery that left even the experts speechless: an untouched Mayan tomb sealed for over 1,000 years. But when they finally pried it open, what they found inside was beyond anything they expected: a jade mask, inscribed human bones, and a hidden chamber that no one dares to enter. Was this the resting place of a lost ruler or something far more mysterious? And could it hold secrets that rewrite Mayan history forever? Stay with me, because this discovery is about to blow your mind. But before that, welcome to Digital Discoveries, where we uncover the mysteries of the past and their impact on our world today. If you love history, archaeology, and hidden truths, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Enjoy the video. In 2023, archaeologists exploring the dense jungles of Guatemala made a remarkable discovery: an untouched Mayan tomb at the site of Chacham. Led by National Geographic explorer Francisco Estrell, the team uncovered the tomb, which had remained hidden for over a millennium. The discovery was facilitated by advanced technologies such as LiDAR scanning, which allowed researchers to identify hidden structures beneath the thick jungle canopy. This non-invasive method enabled the team to pinpoint the tomb's location without disturbing the surrounding environment. Inside the tomb, archaeologists found a wealth of artifacts, including a stunning jade mosaic mask representing the storm god, intricately inscribed human bones, and various offerings that shed light on ancient Mayan rituals and beliefs. This discovery has provided invaluable insights into Mayan culture, particularly regarding their burial practices and artistic expressions. The untouched nature of the tomb offers a rare glimpse into the past, allowing experts to study the artifacts in their original context and deepening our understanding of this ancient civilization. As the archaeologists carefully removed the final layer of stone sealing the ancient tomb, a rush of stale air escaped, a breath from a forgotten past. The chamber was pitch dark, untouched for over 1,000 years. The team's flashlights flickered over the walls, revealing intricate carvings that had not been seen by human eyes in over a millennium. A haunting silence filled the air as they took their first steps inside, unsure of what secrets the tomb held. Then they saw it: the remains of a high-ranking Mayan figure adorned with a ceremonial jade mask, resting among a collection of offerings. The eerie feeling intensified as the researchers noticed strange objects positioned around the burial site, hinting at unknown rituals or a mysterious fate. Inside the tomb was a treasure trove of history. Some of the most astonishing finds included a jade mosaic mask likely symbolizing a deity or a powerful ruler, carved human bones inscribed with unknown glyphs, possibly recording a sacred or forbidden story, hieroglyphic-covered walls revealing cryptic messages about the ruler's journey to the afterlife, ornate pottery, and obsidian blades suggesting offerings for the gods. Gold and jade jewelry indicated the individual's elite status. Among the expected burial items, archaeologists were stunned to find skeletal remains in a bizarre position. The body was not laid out traditionally but instead found in a fetal position, an unusual burial posture that could indicate a ritualistic practice. Signs of possible human sacrifice. Remains of other individuals were discovered nearby, suggesting they might have been sacrificed to accompany the tomb's occupant into the afterlife. Unusual carvings on bones, never before seen in Mayan burials, potentially indicated a lost ritual or warning. A sealed-off side chamber, its purpose still unknown, left researchers to wonder if it holds even more hidden secrets. This discovery has raised more questions than answers. Was this an important ruler, a forgotten priest, or someone with a role so unique that their burial defied all expectations? The untouched nature of the tomb means its secrets are only just beginning to be uncovered. As archaeologists examined the tomb, whispers of ancient Mayan legends began to surface. The eerie carvings, the strange positioning of the body, and the presence of sacrificial remains all hinted at something beyond a standard royal burial. Could this tomb belong to a long-forgotten figure from Mayan mythology? The artifacts and inscriptions found within the tomb have sparked discussions about potential supernatural or legendary associations. The jade mask, for instance, may symbolize a connection to the Maya sun god, reflecting the belief in the divine nature of kings. Moreover, the discovery of a hidden side chamber within the tomb has led to speculation about its purpose. Some experts suggest it could have been intended as a portal to the underworld, aligning with Mayan beliefs about the afterlife and the journey of the soul. This aligns with findings at other sites such as Tyson, where secret tunnels have been associated with underworld passages. The hidden side chamber has baffled experts. Some ancient Mayan tombs were believed to be built as portals to the underworld, allowing spirits to pass between realms. The fact that this chamber was sealed off raises chilling questions. Was it locked away to prevent something from escaping, or could it contain another, even darker secret? Perhaps an unholy relic, a preserved body, or the remains of a ritual meant to appease the gods. The eerie nature of the tomb, combined with its untouched state, makes it one of the most haunting discoveries in recent history. As archaeologists continue their investigation, they may uncover secrets that could rewrite our understanding of Mayan beliefs about death, the afterlife, and supernatural forces. This untouched Mayan tomb offers a wealth of information that not only enhances our understanding of Mayan history but also invites further exploration into the cultural and spiritual beliefs of this ancient civilization. The tomb, estimated to date back to 350 CE, was discovered deep within the Maya Biosphere Reserve. Lead researcher Francisco Estrell described the find as akin to winning the lottery, emphasizing its rarity and importance. Among the remarkable artifacts uncovered were a mosaic jade mask, rare mollusk shells, and human femur bones with carvings. Hieroglyphs on these artifacts are believed to identify the king's lineage, linking him to prominent Maya states such as Tyol and Tarkan. This discovery challenges previous understandings of Mayan burial customs and political connections. The presence of artifacts linking the buried individual to multiple Maya states suggests a more interconnected political landscape than previously thought. Additionally, the unique carvings on the human bones indicate burial practices that were not commonly documented, prompting scholars to re-evaluate existing interpretations of Mayan rituals. The tomb, estimated to date back to 350 CE, was unearthed in the Maya Biosphere Reserve by a team led by archaeologist Francisco Estrell. Inside, they found extraordinary funeral offerings including a mosaic jade mask, rare mollusk shells, and human femur bones with carvings. Hieroglyphs on these artifacts are thought to identify the king's father and grandfather, linking the ruler to the Maya states of Tyol and Tarkan. This discovery challenges previous understandings of Maya political dynamics and cultural practices. The connections between Chacham, Tyol, and Tarkan suggest a more intricate network of alliances and influences among Maya city-states than previously believed. Additionally, the presence of inscribed human bones indicates unique burial customs, offering new perspectives on Maya rituals and beliefs. Despite these revelations, several questions remain. Who was this king, and what role did he play in the broader Mayan political landscape? What specific significance did the jade mask and carved bones hold in Mayan funerary practices? How extensive were the interactions between Chachcatam, Teotihuacan, and other Maya centers? Further analysis of the tomb's contents and inscriptions is necessary to address these questions. The use of advanced technologies like LiDAR, light detection and ranging, has revolutionized Maya archaeology. LiDAR surveys have unveiled vast, previously unknown urban settlements beneath dense jungle canopies, revealing the true extent of Maya civilization. Given these advancements, the likelihood of uncovering more tombs like the one at Chachcatam is high. These potential discoveries could further illuminate Maya social structures, political relationships, and cultural practices, enriching our understanding of this ancient civilization. The discovery of the untouched tomb at Chachcatam has not only deepened our knowledge of Maya history but also highlighted the vast potential for future archaeological findings in the region. This untouched Mayan tomb is more than just an archaeological discovery, it's a window into a lost world. The artifacts, strange burial practices, and cryptic carvings challenge what we thought we knew about the ancient Maya. Could this be the tomb of a forgotten ruler, a portal to the underworld, or evidence of a lost ritual that historians have yet to decipher? One thing is certain, This discovery raises more questions than answers. As archaeologists continue their work, who knows what other secrets lie buried beneath the jungle? Let me know in the comments, what do you think is the most shocking part of this discovery? And don't forget to subscribe for more historical mysteries.